Mammies! Welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please click on like, subscribe, and click on the notification bell for more of my upcoming videos. So today, I would like to meet the world's strongest tights, Sheritex. Sheritex is designed in California at Sheritex HQ. Named one of Time's best inventions. Made with proprietary fiber, 10 times stronger than steel, more valuable than silver. So, each pair comes with a 30-day warranty. This essential, unbreakable in human hands. Unbreakable in human hands. So you can stretch it, wear it confidently without fearing of ripping or getting run. It's so smooth and so comfortable. So I'm gonna share to you guys how I dress up wearing this unbreakable tights. So Sheritex is one of the best investment, especially if you're wearing tights every day. So if you like it and then if you want to try it, click on the link on my description box and get the 30% discount by typing in RINA30 to get the 30% discount on all store and on their website. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys like my video. Thank you very much, Sheritex, for sharing your product to me and to my viewers. And I'll see you again on my next vlog.